One tips about the steam pipe. How I tell before, every time we finish to make a frothing, need to clean with a map the outside and inside part. This is every time we use cleaning. But weekly we suggest to doing a little more deep cleaning, because this also can affect the good performance of the machine about the steam. So weekly we need to remove this part, use a pin and insert the pin in the hole, move up and down to remove some eventually milk residual and full open the hole where passed the steam. After this we assemble again the pipe and again rotate the knob in steam position and release for a few seconds some steam. In this way we are sure that all the part about the steam pipe is clean and also is healthy for body.